Your hearing health is important, and so is maintaining your safety and well-being. That's where Fall Alert comes in, the app feature that enables your hearing aids to detect when you fall, then send a text message with your location to the people you choose, so they can get you help if you need it. False alarm? No problem. You have time to cancel an alert before the text message sends. To set up Fall Alert and invite a contact, just follow 4 simple steps. From your app home screen, tap the health icon. Next, scroll to Additional Setup and tap Set Up Fall Alerts. Learn about Fall Alert on the 2 welcome screens. You can sample the sound indicators you'll hear through your hearing aids if you fall to familiarize yourself. When ready, tap Next. A permission box may appear, asking if Fall Alert can access your contacts. This would allow the app to enter your contacts' details using your phone's contact list. If you choose not to allow this, simply complete the fields yourself. Now, send your Fall Alert invite. Your app will then confirm the invite has been texted to your contact. You can also invite another contact if you'd like. To find out if your contact has accepted your Fall Alert invite, tap More. Next, tap App Settings and then Fall Alert Settings. If your contact is listed as pending, they haven't accepted your invite yet. Here, you can resend the invite if you'd like. If your contact is listed as active, they've accepted your invite and will be notified if you fall.